Hey guys, welcome to another Stitch Fix unboxing. I think this is episode 5, episode 6, I don't know, but this is monumental because normally I can't even talk, I'm so excited. Normally I will slit that baby open and just kind of like pull the package out just to touch and feel, and this time, I'm telling you, I have not done a thing. I haven't even opened it yet. Nothing. Progress. So if you are new to my channel, I am a senior stylist for Stitch Fix. I've been with the company for about 3 years, and I also receive my own fixes that I style myself. And truth be told, when I'm styling you guys, I'm like making all these mental notes of things that I want to try to make a go for when it's time for my boxes to come. So as usual, to give you a quick drill about Stitch Fix, if you're not familiar with it, it is a clothing subscription service that is super hyper personalized. And we base what we're sending you off of a profile you complete when you first sign up for Stitch Fix. And then of course you can write to us, you can include little notes on your profile to tell us what's going on, what you want to receive, what you don't want to receive. And we take all that information and we curate 5 items for you. It's mainly clothing, but we do have accessories and shoes. And then that box gets shipped out to you. You have 3 days to try everything on to decide if you want to keep, if you want to send back. And whatever you do send back, you can actually just pop into a prepaid envelope that comes in your box. Now there is a $20 styling fee with each fix, but that $20 that you pay, that is then deducted from the total amount of your fix. And if you are new to Stitch Fix and you want to try it, I have a special link below. It's my referral code, and if you use it, you get $25 off your first fix. Now, I will also get a kickback of a $25 credit to use on one of my fixes. But keep in mind that you don't have to be a stylist for Stitch Fix in order to get a referral code. The moment you sign up with us and you get your first fix, they automatically give you your own referral code. So anytime somebody uses that code, they get a $25 credit, you get a $25 credit. So I'm telling you, you blast that code out to everybody that you know. Send it via email, send it via social media links. Like on your Stitch Fix profile, they make it very easy for you to be able to access that link and to give it to virtually anybody. And Stitch Fix also styles men and kids, so it's not just something that's for women. If you have a husband, boyfriend, brother, even dad, and you want to sign them up for Stitch Fix, go ahead and do it. And if you have kiddos running around and you'd like them to receive their own box, you can do that too. And you also get to determine how often you want to receive your boxes. Like I said, I get mine every month, but you can sign up to get them every 2 weeks. You can get them every month. You can get them every 3 months, every 6 months, yearly. Like, you are literally in charge of how often you want to receive your fixes. And you can change that frequency at any time. And I'm excited about this one. I'm just gonna start tearing into this. I'm excited about this one because I'm treating this as like a mini fall preview. Can we just talk about the fact that where in the world did summer go? I have no idea. I cannot even believe we're talking about fall. Like, I can't even believe that I'm seeing winter coats being put out on display in the retail world. It is crazy. This is my favorite part about receiving my fixes, is just seeing how beautiful they are packaged. Huge shout out to the people in our warehouse who put together such a gorgeous, beautiful fix for us to literally tear into, which I'm about to do in about 3 seconds. Okay, so the first thing, oh my gosh, I was so excited and kind of depressed to stick this in my cart because it means that colder weather is coming. In any event, I saw this cardigan and I thought this was so fun. I love the white and the blue. It is a medium weight. So I thought, all right, for fall, I would love to wear this with jeans, and I'm gonna show you how I would wear it in a second, but it is an open cardigan, it doesn't have buttons, and it's just super, super cute. And along those same lines of having like a total neutral wardrobe in the colder weather, and I'm talking like black, gray, brown, navy, that's it. I've decided that when it gets colder, I want at least one pop of color, and I think this year that color is going to be pink because I saw this. It's just a basic knit top, which I have none of in my closet. I've talked about this before, but I love wearing leggings as soon as it gets really cold, and obviously I want tops that cover my back, side, and this looked like it would fit the bill. Oh, and next one. Okay, so again, when it comes to fall weather, my favorite thing to wear are 3/4 length sleeve blouses and jeans. Once it switches to freezing cold, I'm all about the leggings, but in the fall, I like jeans. And I saw this top in our inventory, and I had never even seen it before. I fell in love with it. I love the mustard floral print, but what I love most of all was the detail. Look at the detailing on the sleeve. Gorgeous. And you have that same detailing too on the bottom, which I think just adds such a beautiful touch. I used to hate a high-low silhouette on a dress. Literally this spring, I fell in love with it. So I have one dress like that in my collection. I wanted to get another one. I had been eyeballing this one in our inventory forever, and it finally became available for this fix. But it is a faux wrap maxi dress. It is obviously a floral print, and it has a high-low silhouette, which I think is just so effortlessly sexy. Like I just think it's beautiful. And this is super soft. It's a brushed knit, which I love, and I'm so excited to try it on. This is just a yellow A-line skirt, which I think is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to show you exactly what I had in mind when it came to wearing it. But this is also part of Kate Spade's collection. She is a fashion blogger, and she curated and designed a collection exclusively for Stitch Fix, and this is one of her pieces. So it has the elasticized waistline in the back, which is nice just to give it a little extra give, but I love how it has the structured waistline in the front. And it is an A-line, and it should hit about mid-calf, which I think is so sophisticated. I love that length for skirts and dresses. So it just feels like cotton. Like the fabrication just feels very breezy and cottony, which I love. Starting off with the skirt from Ms. Kate Spade, I absolutely adore this silhouette. I love the color. It feels really, really comfortable. It's super breezy, and this is exactly the outfit I had in mind when I grabbed it. Just plain white tank top, nice nude wedge sandal. And what I love about styles like this is just how versatile they are. Like, this is something I could wear for daytime. It's something I'd totally wear for date night. I love it. The only thing I'm not loving is the price tag. The skirt is $68, and I'm sorry, I'm not understanding that price point for this. So it's bumming me out big time because I love it so much. I think it is absolutely adorable. I just don't know if I want to spend that much money for just a skirt. So here's that faux wrap high-low knit maxi. Oh my gosh, you guys, this feels so good on. It's so soft. And again, I love the high-low. I just think it's so feminine and so pretty and so effortlessly sexy. It does have a tie. Like I said, it is a faux wrap, so the tie, you know, is there. And then, yeah, it just is higher, or lower rather, in the back and higher in the front. I love it. I think this is so beautiful, and it's so timeless too. Like, I could wear this for 10,000 things and never get tired of it. So this is going to be a hard one to say no to. The one thing that's giving me pause about this dress, and I knew this throwing it into my bag, is I need another navy dress like I need a hole in my head. Like, the obsession with navy dresses is getting to the point where I feel like I need a 12-step program. So, that's like the only thing about this dress. I am having a moment with this top. I love it. I love the 1973 color scheme. I love that it's kind of got like old lady floral vibes. I love everything about it. Like, the detailing is so pretty. I love tops like this. I live in tops like this for the fall season. Oh my gosh, I'm just madly falling in love with it. Super comfortable, like I said. Really impressed with the detailing on the hem, also the sleeve. Very comfortable. A nice length in the back. I think this is wonderful. I love this top so much. And this is exactly how I'd wear it. Just throw on a pair of jeans, have a nice nude shoe, and then you're out the door. This reminds me a lot of another blouse I got from Stitch Fix, which is one of my absolute favorites. Let me grab it for you. This one here. I love this top. Where's the front? There's the front. So this one has more of like a high-low vibe to it. And obviously it's yellow too, and floral. I'm seeing a pattern here, but this one reminded me of the vibe of this one, which is why I grabbed it in the first place. And then here's what I had in mind with this, or for this cardigan rather, just throwing it on with a plain white tank, jeans, and then my little leopard print wedges. The only thing that's kind of giving me pause about this is actually off-white, and I'd be wearing it with a white top. I don't know. Some people I think can get away with it. I feel like that might drive me kind of crazy, so I'm not sure. But otherwise, it's very comfortable. I love the pockets. You know, I have an obsession with pockets. It's got, let's see if I can show you. Yeah. So it's got a decent length in the back. I wouldn't wear this with leggings. This would be something I'd strictly wear with jeans. But I like it. And just to give you guys a close-up of the fabrication, so it is an open yarn knit, which in the super cold weather, no way. Like, I would freeze to death. In the fall, this would work for me. So it does have a medium weight, like I said earlier, and it is very comfortable. Oh. Okay, first off, let me show you what I had in mind. I would wear this with black leggings, and here's what I love about leggings. Like, we're all obsessed with them, right? Well, you don't just have to wear them when you're lounging around the house or, you know, only when you're wearing a hoodie. You can totally dress leggings up. I would not hesitate to throw on a black heel with a pair of leggings with a top like this. So you kind of have like this elevated casual vibe. And what I do is, you know, most leggings are super long, especially when you're short like me. So what I like to do is I would just roll them inside. So see, like normally they would be like down to here. I would just roll them on the inside to give me more of like an ankle length. Obviously those aren't they're not at the same length, but you know what I'm saying. Like, you can just give leggings a really nice elevated look to them. I would totally go out and grab dinner wearing this. Here's my problem with this top. Now, this is considered a dolman style, and I feel like most people either love dolmans or they hate them, but this is indicative of a dolman. People refer to it as like a bat wing. I don't mind it, but for the fact that when your arm is down, it's like, poofing out there. And that's the kind of thing that has a potential to drive me crazy. The only reason why I'm not saying like an outright no to this is the fact that it's so soft, it's so comfortable, it has tight sleeves, like the cuffs are tight, which I love. Like, it makes me feel like I'm tucked in there good. It's just a really comfortable top. And then here's what it looks like in the back. So obviously I've got the length to cover me when I'm wearing leggings so that what needs covered stays covered. But yeah, it's just it's just that right there. I don't know. Otherwise, I love it. So I decided to keep that yellow and white floral blouse and also the dress. Oh, I was so bummed out about the skirt most of all. It's so cute. That skirt is absolutely darling and it's just my style. I could not justify paying $68 for it though. I'm sorry, that's how I am. I could not do it, but it was super cute and I congratulate Katie Storino on coming up with this collection because it's not an easy thing to do. That pink knit top, that was another one I was totally like on, and ultimately I decided not to keep it just because I tried it on again and it was just, because of that dolman style, it was just bagging on the sides like I showed you to a degree that I was like, I know this is gonna drive me crazy, no. And I was so bummed about it because it was super comfortable and that fabric was so soft. So I'm definitely gonna be on the lookout for something similar in the future. And then the cardigan, I knew that cream color, like the off-white, would make me crazy. I can't do it. I just can't do it. But in any event, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and I will see you again in the next one.